Well, welcome back. This is just a little update video, I suppose. It's a short one, just to update what's going on. As I haven't... Oh, flies are friendly. I haven't gone where I wanted to go this year. I haven't done what I wanted to do. I've sort of, due to restrictions, can't get to where I want to go, can't get out to the Great Central because of all the flooding, the Canning Stock route, all that area is all flooded. And with campfires being restricted until just recently, it's put a little of a damper on the situation because we all love the bush deli. So yeah, I got to apologise there for not getting out where I was hoping to and show you guys some more different kind of country and hopefully content. But I hope to get back on track very shortly. Campfires are allowed now in most areas, I think. So hopefully I can start getting out and venturing out a bit further. Gets boring sitting under LEDs looking at the lights. But yeah, as is going out and do like the Connie Sue and all that, which I hope to do this year. I still do hope, just might be a little bit later on in the year. I do have some other trips planned in my head, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to get them, but we'll see how we go. I'm still having my treatment once a month. I'm halfway by the time, what time you watch this, I am halfway. I just did halfway the other last month, so yeah, it's all downhill now. 5 more to go at the moment. That is rocking me for a little bit. It's rocking me a bit longer each treatment. I'm down to 12, I'm down to like a week now where I feel the side effects, I suppose you'd say. So yeah, that's sort of putting a bit of a damper on the situation. Sort of affects 1 to 2 weeks of my time that I've got spare. And also I've got to work. So that sort of affects another 2 weeks of the month. So I'm down to sort of like 1 week a month that I can sort of take advantage and get away. I do work. I have to. I'm not a millionaire. I don't know. Money doesn't grow on a tree for me. So yeah, I've got to get away and work, earn money to put fuel in the car to get where I want to go. But anyway, so yeah, so the channel's probably going to have a little bit of a low patch, I'm guessing, over the next week or two. And then hopefully we'll get back up to where we're going. God, the flies are friendly. You might recognise the red dirt. Yes, I'm in the Pilbara right now. Not for pleasure. For work. But hey, it's all good. Yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Just thanks for sticking by and watching, and see you on the next one. Wherever it will be, I'm not too sure right now. Yeah, 1 month at a time. So yeah, thank you. See you next time.